Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some headlight bulb updates for the Titan. Alright, so this is what we're going to be using. It's an Amazon Sea Light. It's actually a special that is for, I think, $50, but what it includes is it includes the 905s and the 906s for the truck. So you get your high beams and your low beams in there. So that's pretty neat. I did open it halfway. And what I noticed was it comes with gloves. Some like premium gloves to install the lights. Obviously it's got like the resistors or whatever and all that stuff for the LED. It's got the fans on the back. And that is what we're going to be installing on the truck today. So it comes with some zip ties, probably some double-sided tape. But I'm going to head outside real quick and give y'all a shot of the headlights, how they look now with the stock halogen bulbs. Alright, there it is. Stock bulbs. LED on the lower. Stock bulbs. That's what we got. Alright, let's do this time lapse. And then I'll come back to you guys with how they look during the day with the new lights. Alright guys, here we are a few days after I actually installed the headlights on the truck. Just had a lot of stuff going on where I couldn't film during the day because it was working my butt off. So, let's go ahead and turn the lights on for you. There you go. Nice white glow to them. They're pretty bright during the day. Let's go ahead and pop these bright lights on as well for you. Boom, boom. And there's the bright lights. Look pretty good if you ask me for an old truck. Alright, let's jump over to the comparison of the halogens and the new LEDs. And you guys will come back here to me. Alright. Alright guys. That is your before. That's how these lights look beforehand. That's the standard halogen bulb. Alright guys, we'll drive for a little bit, that way you can see what it looks like going down the road. I'm not going to drive for too long because I'll make this video pretty long, but just give you an idea what it looks like with the standard halogen lights and obviously the yellow LED fog lights. Next video will be of me running the new LED lights. I don't know what this guy's doing. There you go. Get out of the way. Let's give you a good idea of like how light or dark those lights are. Looks pretty dim on this here GoPro. Man, this guy is definitely ridiculously slow. But good video anyways. Alright, that's where I'm gonna leave it. That's good enough time. We'll just redo it for the other ones. Alright guys, let's go on to how the new lights look. Alright guys, here we are with the nighttime view with the new LEDs. So, there you go. They are definitely a lot whiter and a lot brighter, for sure. Brighter. That's what it looks like from the front. You can definitely see white, yellow, and then the white. So it's definitely lighting it up a good bit more. So let's take a drive with these real quick. And before we wrap up this video with the end of it, I think these are a pretty good deal for these, for the price. I think they're like 50 or 60 bucks for 4 sets of LEDs. Yeah, if you guys like them, I'll leave a description down below. If you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and let's wrap up the rest of this video. I had to put you guys on a charger, so that's why we get a little cut right there, but we'll do the same thing we did for the halogens. Go around here, drive this way. Oh yeah, it definitely looks like the beam goes further on it, further out. It's definitely brighter for sure. Like when I look at it, it definitely feels like high beams are on or something. In fact, I'm going to show you the high beams on the halogens, but what we'll do right here in between these cars is that's the high beam difference right there. It's pretty stout actually. I'll flip them one more time and then I'm going to turn left. It's low beams, that's high beams. Going the same way as last time. It's low beams back on. Definitely feels like it's covering a lot more ground. Alright, you guys made it back. So, yeah, from the video, I don't know if you guys could tell, but I really enjoy these lights. They look nicer, just like generally appealing, make it look like a newer vehicle at night. The brightness is brighter. I like it. It's not too much brighter, but it definitely is brighter. Something that I could definitely fix that is, I don't know if you guys have seen, but like these are definitely some old headlights. They had some really bad hue. This side you can see it better. There's definitely like a hue over it. I sanded them down and then actually just put acrylic paint on it to like protect them. I just honestly don't feel like spending, you know, 150 bucks on a set of headlights on a truck that has 320,000 miles on it. But the exact lights I used were these Sealite Xena, well, I don't know, how do you guys say that? Xeon-hour LED lighting. It's a two-part kit, so it's got the H05 kit or 905 kit and the 906 for the high and low. The only thing that I found with it, with the kit, the one negative I will say is installing them was kind of difficult, only because of, and I'll show you guys this. So if you take a look at one of the standard bulbs, there isn't a lip right here on this piece right there, but on the ones that come in the kit, they actually have a pretty big lip outside of this lip that locks in. So it makes it really difficult to lock in. So when you're trying to get it in there and you're like trying to lock it in place so the LEDs sit where they're supposed to and it's got a tight fit, they don't want to lock. So what I actually did is actually took, let's see if I can open this kit up and actually show you guys, because I think the other set, I think the 905s actually have that lip on it that I'll be talking about. Yeah, there we go. So if you guys look at it, see how there's a little lip above that one, a little lip right there? That is actually lower on the standard bulbs than it is on the kit. So what I had to do is I actually just took a razor blade, kind of shave that down a bit to get it to fit in there, and then it went in pretty easily. But if not, like I was fighting, like I was like, it won't click, it won't turn all the way in, it won't lock. And obviously that won't keep a seal on the headlight. You know, you'll get water in there, and then the LED won't be at the right spot either. Other than that, the kit came with perfectly good wiring, like lengthwise. It's got a nice big heat sink on the back of it. Comes with plenty of wire and like a little, I'm assuming like at the end of it or in the middle of it, like a diode or something to like help with maybe flickering and or like the power distribution to the new LED headlight. So I really like the headlight bulbs. I'll leave a link in the description down below to the kit I got, just in case your car or truck takes 905s and 906s. They might have other sets as well. Alright guys, well, I don't know, leave a like, leave a comment, fulfill the algorithm. I'll talk to you guys later. See you on the next one. Bye.